Odie. Now I'm going to do an experiment. This is some baking soda that's mixed with yellow food coloring. And this is vinegar mixed with blue food coloring. And let's see what happens when I mix both of them together. I'm going to start with a spoonful of this, dump it into here, and now put that here, and then explodes. Explodes. You can watch it while it's exploding. It actually turns dark green. So